everyone, I hope everybody is well. Today I want to show you how I cut my lace fronts, and I want to show you that on the beautiful Angelina in S17 by Superhairpieces. I know it's daunting when you get your human hair wig and you have to cut lace. It is actually really quite easy to do. What you need are sharp scissors. Make sure they are sharp, and then you need some clips so you can clip away all the hair. And another tip is as well, you can moisten them as well, so any little hair you can then just move back really easily. Small scissors like these are best, and make sure they are sharp. Sometimes I do it on my head, sometimes I take it off, and today I think for this one I will take it off. Best thing to do is to lie it down, because then gravity helps as well with the hair to fall back. Right, and then as I said, scissors. Give yourself a little bit of leeway. I give myself maybe the width of the side of your small finger. And just follow the hairline. Don't make it too straight. Do a little bit of a wavy motion. You don't get a really straight line, because if you have a bit of a straight line, it might become a little bit more obvious than if you have a little bit of a wavy line. It will just blend into your skin a little bit better. So don't cut too much first time round. You can always cut a little bit more later. And then you have this piece. I normally keep these. Just in case it needs repairing or something, I then have the original lace. So this is now what it looks like. So as you can see, there is a little bit of lace left. So don't cut it right to the edge. And look how natural this now looks. Absolutely stunning when you tuck it. Look at it. So if you have a little bit of lace left here on the edges, that I normally just cut away, because I don't want to use glue. So you can do that. That's how I cut my lace fronts. If you have any comments, any questions, if you do it differently, if you have other methods, please let me know. It's always good for everyone else to know what other options there are. And I hope you have a lovely day. Bye.